Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Techademy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change email in Booking.com. Changing your email address on Booking.com helps you keep receiving important booking confirmations, hotel updates, and account notifications. If you've recently switched to a new email, this simple guide will walk you through the full process. First of all, open the Booking.com app on your mobile device, or you may also go to the official website from any browser. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are logged into the homepage of Booking.com, go ahead and tap on the My Account button at the bottom right corner, where you'll be able to see other few details, from where you'll need to tap on Personal Details under Manage Account. Under Personal Details, tap on Email Address. On the next page, enter your new email address you want to change to, and then, after you do that, click on the Save button and you'll receive a verification link to your new email address. You'll need to check your email inbox for the link. Now, a verification email code will be sent to your current email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. Now open up the email from Booking.com and make sure to copy the code or paste in this code inside the Booking.com email verification field. Finally, click Continue once done. You'll then be able to change your email address in Booking.com account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.